wa barakatuh, Kasim.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Where are you going, Kasim?
I am going to attend the Republic Day program at Royal Primary English Medium School.
MashaAllah, I am also going there. But do you know why is 26 January celebrated as Republic Day?
Yes, because on 26 January 1950 our constitution come into effect.
Oh yes, but what is the need of the constitution?
The constitution is fundamental rules to governance the country.
So there must be rules. How many article, parts and schedules?
On present day, approximately 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules.
That interesting. How many members in the drafting committee and constitution committee?
There was 389 members in the constitution committee and 7 members in drafting committee.
Is there any Muslim member in drafting committee?
Yes, sir, Saeed Muhammad Sadullah.
Any woman member?
Yes, Begum Ejaz Rasul, the only Muslim woman in committee.
Who is the chairman of the drafting committee?
Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar and known also the father of constitution.
Jazakallah Kasim for sharing knowledge. Now let's enjoy together Royal Primary School Republic Day program.
Yes, sure.
Thank you.
વેરી ગુડ. બંને બાળકોએ આપણા બંધારણ વિશેની ઇંગ્લિશમાં ખૂબ સરસ એવી સમજ આપી. એકબીજાને પ્રશ્ન કરીને હું મરિયમ સમીઉલ્લાહ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 5 ને વિનંતી કરીશ